Hey guys, the objective for this video is to define Lagrangian and Eulerian frames of reference and to discuss flow visualization in terms of path lines, streak lines, and streamlines. So Lagrangian frames of references. So if we're describing a fluid in a Lagrangian frame of reference, we're looking at one individual particle and we're considering its change in properties as it moves. And then the other frame of reference that we can look at is the Eulerian frame of reference. So instead of looking at an individual particle, we look at an individual point in space and we consider how the properties change at this point in space and also at every point in space. So the major difference, Lagrangian, we're looking at an individual particle. Eulerian, we're looking at an individual point in space. So there's a few ways in which we can visualize flow. The first of which is path lines. We can also look in terms of streak lines and streamlines. And they all have very different definitions of flow. So the first is path lines, and path line is essentially a line traced out by a particle as it flows from one point to another. It's a Lagrangian concept because we're looking at an individual particle as it moves, and we're tracing out that movement through space. The second way in which we can describe flow